And action.
Get that black one up so I can get a picture of it.
All right, action. Come on, Piggy, Piggy, Piggy. Come over here. Come on. Okay, come on.
How bad is he?
Oh, I want to say he's almost 3.
I can't have that one in it. I need the black one by itself.
Okay.
Hi, baby. Hi. Don't eat me.
He's trying to protect you.
Now I gotta shrink it down. Get that one back a little bit, can you?
Yeah. Oh, kind of. Come on, Biggie. Come on, Kevin.
Hi, baby. Oh. Yuck.
Say Piggy, Piggy, Piggy.
Piggy, piggy, piggy. Hi, piggy, piggy, piggy. You sucker. What's that?
He likes to be in the camera. He's a camera hog. He just wants to see. You're on camera too, buddy. I know. Ouch! Ouch! You fuck.
Did he bite you?
You know, he still put his fall on me and then rubs his head on me, so I can't move. Puppies. Help me, puppies, help me.
Put the wood in the way. God damn it.
You want the other one away?
Yeah.
Fucking.
Piggy, piggy, piggy. Piggy, piggy, piggy. Oh, you fucker. Forget it. Why is he? Oh, look at you. You're all fucking muddy. We gotta go. Get you cleaned up.
You ready? Action.
Move up with it.
Went out to the garden, and this is what I got today. Summer squash, winter squash, zucchini. Beautiful. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm.